Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious biscuit pudding. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including your favorite plain biscuits, milk, sugar, and any flavorings. Next, we will prepare the biscuits by briefly dipping them. Then we'll craft the rich, creamy pudding. Finally, we will layer everything together and chill it to perfection. To begin, choose your preferred plain biscuits, such as digestive or shortbread. Quickly dip each biscuit into a shallow bowl of milk or coffee. Do not let them soak. This softens them just enough. Carefully arrange these softened biscuits to form a single, even layer at the bottom of your serving dish, ensuring no gaps remain. Now let's create the luscious pudding. In a saucepan, whisk together 2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it thickens to a creamy consistency. Remove from heat, then stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of butter for extra flavor and smoothness. With your biscuits and pudding ready, it's time to assemble. Create alternating layers, starting with biscuits, then a generous spread of pudding, and repeat. Ensure the final layer is pudding, smoothed over the top. For a beautiful finish, sprinkle with chocolate shavings or fresh fruit. Cover and refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to set perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.